Yo, what's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? I hope you guys doing fantastic. If you guys new to the channel, my name is Cheeto. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my TikTok videos, how I make them nice and crispy, and how I make them nice and perfect for TikTok. I'll be walking you guys through what program I use. The program I use is free, by the way. What program I use, what steps I go through. It's going to be from step 1 all the way to step 100 or whatever step we end up on. But we will be showing you guys step by step how I edit my TikTok videos. So let's just jump straight into this video. If you guys enjoy this, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you guys comment down below any questions you guys have, and also do not forget to subscribe. All right, everybody, let's jump straight into it. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to want to download DaVinci Resolve. This program is completely free. It's the only program that I use to edit all my videos, whatever it is, YouTube, TikTok, anything that I'm going to edit, any video I'm going to edit, I'm going to use DaVinci Resolve because it's free, it's easy to use, and personally, I like it way better than Premiere. And so do a lot of the graphic designers that I talk to. So what we're going to do is you're going to open up DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to put the link to this in the description, by the way. So open up DaVinci Resolve, go to new project. You can name the project whatever you want. I leave it whatever it is as default. And then you're going to want to open file manager and then click whatever video you want to use. You have to have the video already downloaded to your computer. So then you go here. It's going to say if you want to change the frame rate, you're going to want to put change, because if you don't hit change, your frame rate is going to stay the same as the timeline, and you don't want that because your videos will look really crappy. Your frame rates are going to drop and it's going to match the timeline, and you don't want that. So just click change on all your videos. Any video you drag into the media pool, you're going to click change, and then all you're going to have to do here is you're going to go to edit, and then you're going to want to drag your video into the timeline. So drop your video into the timeline, and there you go. Now we have our video in the timeline. Come back up here. You're going to want to click the video that you just dragged into the timeline, right click, and then go to change alpha mode to pre-multiplied. There you go. And then you guys are probably looking at this like, dang, that size of the frame is not what TikTok uses. Don't worry, we're going to change that right now. Click on the timeline, right click it, and then go to timeline, highlight timeline, go to timeline settings, and then it's going to bring up this edit timeline. Go down here to use custom settings, and then you're going to want to copy this right here, 1920, and you're going to want to plug in 1920 right here, and then 1080 in this other box. This is super important, guys. This is the format, this is the resolution that TikTok uses for their videos. So if you do not use this exact resolution, your videos are going to look really bad. Parts of the video are going to look cut up, and you don't want that. So make sure you guys use these settings right here. And then you're going to click OK, and then you guys see, whoa, it changed our timeline to TikTok. Look at that. So if you use your little scroll wheel on your on your mouse, it will zoom out, zoom in, as long as your mouse is in this little box right here in the timeline box. So I usually keep it about right there where I can see most of the box. And then next, all you're going to want to do is you're going to click your video down here in the timeline, and then you're going to right click and unlink your clips. If you guys go here and you guys click on your clips and they're not linking both of them anymore, you did it right. So then after that, you're going to want to go up here to the top right, click inspector. It's going to bring this little setting menu up, and you're going to go to zoom X and type in 2. This is going to make the video enlarged, and it's going to look like this, but don't worry, we're going to change that right now. So all you're going to have to do is come over here to this little transform box. Hold up, guys, let me move my webcam a little bit, that way you guys can see what I'm talking about. So all you're going to have to do is go here, click this little box, and it's going to bring these little outline box outside the video. You're going to want to make sure your video is highlighted though, so make sure you guys click on your video. If it's not showing you move the size like this, make sure you drag the timeline bar in like midway through the video, and it should fix itself. So then you're gonna want to move this. Actually, hold up, you're not gonna want to adjust that. Go back, hit 2, and then you're gonna want to drag your video down, make sure it's centered. And then as you guys can see, I have my webcam a little bit cut in, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shift it a little bit to the right. The video is going to look a little off angle, but it doesn't matter, because as you guys can see, if you guys hit play the video, if you guys play the video, it's gonna look good. And then all you're going to want to do is click back on the video here, hold Alt on your keyboard, and drag up. So you don't have to add a webcam into the video. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. You can always just click on the video, and then go here, and then expand it, make it big, and then just make it fill the little timeline screen. As you guys can see, maybe I want to get my little Cheeto logo in there, and then that's it. If you want to do that, you can do that if you don't want to add a webcam. But if you want to add a webcam, you're going to go back here, set the zoom to 2, bring it down, and then I'm going to make sure my webcam is not in there because that looks kind of ugly if it is in there. And then you're going to come back down to the timeline, click Alt, drag up, and it's going to duplicate your video. So you have a duplicate video right on top of this original clip already. So click on that top clip, and then you're going to want to make it 5.5. This, as you guys can see, it brought the video, and it looks really big and it looks all weird. Ooh, excuse me. But don't worry, we're going to fix that right now. So all you're going to have to do is zoom out using your wheel on your mice. And then you're going to want to adjust this to where you like it. So let's say I want my camera right there, my webcam. And then you're going to come here, click on this little arrow, this drop down, and then go to crop. And then we're going to drag this down. As you guys can see, it starts showing the original video, that one that's on the bottom. So then we're going to crop it down to here. And there you guys see, you guys can see that we have a webcam in our freaking video now. Isn't that crazy? Amazing, right? So then after that, you just click the little drop down right here, and now you have a perfect clip. Look at this. Watch. Drag this over here, and then we can watch the full clip. Here, I'll do that. And then look, the video's playing. I have myself up there on the in the webcam. I'm talking, and the video is playing nice and smooth. This is how I edit all my videos. This is how all my videos come out looking really clean. And a lot of people ask about it and how I do it, and this is exactly how I do it. So that's all there is to it, guys. Literally, that's it. Step by step. You guys will get faster the more you do this. Like, now it's all memory to me, so I can do this. I can literally, if I wanted to remake this video, I can probably push it out in like a minute tops. But after we're done, let's say you want to render the video, you click deliver, and then it's going to bring you to this screen here. You're going to pick the file name, whatever, I don't know, whatever you want to name it. And then you're going to come down here to format, and you're going to want to format it as MP4. And then we keep all these settings the same. This should all be good already. And you're going to want to edit to the render queue. You can pick wherever you want to save it. I usually save it in my videos. And then you click save. And then it's going to bring it over here to the render queue. After that, you just want to start the render, and that's it. Literally, that's all it takes. After it's done rendering, guys, you're done. You're going to go to your file manager, wherever you save the video, it should be there. And then you can just play it, review it, or whatever. And that's it. Then you just upload it to TikTok or upload it wherever you want, Instagram, whatever it might be. But that's really it to the video, guys. There's nothing crazy or super hard about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, guys, remember to leave a thumbs up on the video. Comment down below any questions you guys might have regarding this video. Again, like I said, I'm gonna put the link to DaVinci Resolve down in the description. I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever, but hey, DaVinci, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. But make sure you guys leave a like and comment down below any questions, like I said, and subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Have a blessed day.